EPROM, or Erasable Programmable Read-Only Memory, is an essential component in various electronic devices, including computers and embedded systems. It consists of a grid of memory cells made from floating gate transistors that store binary data as electrical charges. Programming an EPROM involves applying a high-voltage signal, allowing electrons to tunnel into the floating gate, thus altering the state of the transistor to store information. To erase data, the chip is exposed to ultraviolet light, which causes electrons to exit the floating gate, resetting the memory cells. EPROMs are commonly used for firmware storage in devices like printers and routers, where they enable essential updates. They also play a crucial role in embedded systems by storing critical programs that manage hardware operations, providing flexibility in design due to their erasable and rewritable nature. Despite their advantages, EPROMs have limitations, such as slower access times and a finite number of write cycles compared to other memory types. Understanding the structure and operation of EPROMs is vital for appreciating their significance in electronics and their practical applications.
Visit our website, prometeo.blog, to read the full article and many more. All our micro tutorials and comparisons can be read in Spanish and English. They have an integrated learning quiz, and you will have access to a ChatGPT teacher specialized in electronics, computer science, and artificial intelligence.